So here we have someone with mid-back length hair. The stylist cuts the hair right into a beautiful angled bob. He also did a nice asymmetrical shape with the cutting as well. Lots of body in this cut, lots of movement, and I think that the color is really pretty. She does have some face framing highlights. Gorgeous transformation. So here we have someone with shoulder length red hair. I am loving this hair color. And he cuts the hair into an asymmetrical pixie. Wow, this is absolutely breathtaking. I love the way that the color looks within the cut. And this is actually one of the hottest trends that we are seeing for 2023. Very edgy and sophisticated, polished pixie style. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of short hairstyles, hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of some new ways you can shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. So here we have once again someone with very long hair. The stylist asks, how short do you want to go? And he chops the hair into a shoulder length bob. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Nice, simple, chic, effortless style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have a pixie here. So the stylist did kind of give her a shape up. This is really pretty. Very nice texture with this one. So then we move on to someone else who is going to be getting a cut refresh. So she goes much shorter with this transformation. Wow, I love the choppy texture that he did. This is beautiful. And then she also got some baby bangs going in the front. Another hot hair trend for 2023. Beautifully done. So here we have someone, it looks like she has some shoulder length blonde hair. Stylist sectioned the hair off. He's cutting the hair outside. Looks like he's doing some type of photo shoot, maybe. Now it does look like he's doing like a modern mullet. Yes, I love this. Very pretty. Now personally, as you guys know, I love the modern mullet. The mixie is what they're calling this particular version. It is shorter than the traditional mullet, and I am here for it. So next up we have a client who looks like they have a bob. So she might just be getting a cut refresh. Oh, looks like she's getting more of like a mini bob. Oh, wow. Very nice. I love the feathered bangs going in the front. Absolutely stunning. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. I love her hair color. So it looks like the stylist did end up doing a bob haircut for this one. I love the fullness of her hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.